Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For all my new subscribers, I am Ken. As most of my viewers may already know, I operate a nursing home. Currently, we're experiencing rainfall from tropical storm Ida, and me underwater. You can believe that? Me underwater. Take a look, guys. This is the side of the nursing home. There you go, guys, underwater. The house right there, flood right out. Down the bottom there, so see if I can zoom it up. Can't zoom no more. Alright, see there, flood out too. All I wanna look pan down there, so under the tree, water, bare water everywhere. Flood out, see there, the people them house there, so flood out. Like, this is shitting scary. You don't have no idea. I'm just so grateful that the rain actually ease up right now, and we are pray the water run off. Auntie Kimon, say hi to the vlog. Hi. Say hi to the vlog. I'm Cody. Yeah, guys, these are my neighbor. We're underwater. You can't hungry in the rain, ma? Underwater and hungry. That no come together. Everybody around come look now to see what's going on, because around here really stay bad. My God, all my shoes. Right, the man say him hug them nearly drown. Which part him say him live? You know, say me did hear some hug ball out over there, so me said to them, say, you did hear them? Yeah. Me hear some hug ball out there, so to tell me a show nurse and I say, hug pen. Guys, see hug pen there me I talk about. Me don't know if you can see it. See the hug pen there underwater. Somebody did hear the hug them a ball out. Me never know say hug go the running. Guys, me stress right out. Me not lie, me stress out. So, in order to take precaution, I called the Fort police station and, you know, have them on standby in the event that I may need evacuation. Fort police station flood out. Maypen hospital flood out. Like, it is so crazy. I could not believe this is the extent of the damage of what is happening here. Everywhere flood. Well, not everywhere, most places here in Maypen. Guys, it is so crazy. Like, my legit. Go on. Yeah, the water, it climbed the wall. It may tell us that the house flood down there because water. Me don't know if it gone in the house, but it's in the people in backyard. Victor from there from. It gone in the backyard there, because what me look at is that it climbed the wall. Yeah, it climbed them wall. Good evening. Yeah, guys, let's see what go on in the Clarendon Gardens. Yeah, man, it gone over them yard. Should it suppose it continue into tomorrow? Can you imagine what will happen? Because that tomorrow it will just ease up. And you must listen. Yes, oh, down at the bridge. Yeah. And then a cleaning. Wow. Because from me there around here, the first me ever see this come up, so you know, and we experience a lot of rainfall before. First me ever see it come up, so me see it come up a lot of times, but not where it break the bank. It never break the bank before. You're there. So guys, there you have it. No party coming back. There you guys have it. This is what is going on down here. We are safe. We are safe, thankfully. We are safe. The water. Come on video. Thank you. I don't want your face on camera. I don't want to be sued. We are safe. Thankfully the water don't come over on our property. No water in our house. All our residents them safe. Thank you, Jesus. Downstairs not affected. The rain ease up at this point. We just have prayed it ease up long enough for the water to run off, because trust me, we can't manage no more water. We can't see for ourselves. Let me go over here, son. So this is the side. So you can see no water in the palm forward property, right? Me kind of show not too much of the place, but yeah, you can see the water from there. So I not want to show too much of the house and all of that. Thank God as well, my mother did stranded at work and she finally get a taxi now to go home. Thank you, Jesus, as well. Like, me don't know, me did legit worried about her because me did really want her to get a taxi. Oh, me know that man there. Oh, hi, good evening. Come here, look at me and say, but me know that person there. My neighbors them. Yeah, so everybody come out and look to see what's going on. Yeah, hide. Oh boy. So guys, I'm going to close off this vlog. I will keep you guys posted. Definitely will make you know if the rain come down, if more water come over, whatever the case is. So you guys keep us in your prayers. Stay safe and dry, guys. Bye.